So right here, what we're gonna be doing, let's go and watch. Let's go and watch. So we're gonna pass, and we get pushed out a little bit. Good job on rolling up the throttle. Get yourself out of that situation. Okay, that's one way of doing it. All right, there we go. All right, so here's the thing. We're not going to focus too much on this. This is just passing people. Now, a lot of people have actually asked me, have I done a video on passing other vehicles? So here's the thing. This is one thing that I wouldn't do. So we're coming up to here. We're going to pass. Perfectly fine. Be very concerned about when you're going to do it, because if you take a look, this white car is stuck behind this vehicle. If you want to pass yourself, what do you think this car wants to do? So you kind of wait for that moment, or you kind of hesitate. It's okay to hesitate. It really is. But if we ever going to do this and we pass and we see this guy starting to pass, you're still not committed to it. You can apply the brakes and get back into your lane. Now, don't panic brake. Squeeze it a little bit. Maybe roll off the throttle, because remember, this person's accelerating. Get back in your lane. Cool. Then do it when it's safe to do so. But if you're in this situation right here where this person kind of pushes you out, do what this guy did. So let's say you did everything right and still there's dum-dums out there. You did everything right. You got pushed out. What do you do when you're in this situation? Roll off the throttle, same thing. Apply the brake, same thing. You do have an escape path to accelerate through, but just remember, that's what his goal is too. I don't want to do the same goal as the other car. I want to do something that's different and allows me to juke things. So if somebody says, football players are, I'm going to run this way. Well, I'm the other football player and I'm going to tackle you, so I'm going to run and intersect with you because we're going to try to get there at the same time. Well, the person with the football is like, well, if you're going to do that, I'm going to do this. That's what you're supposed to be doing here. If this person's like, I'm going to go ahead and go, and you're like, I'm going to go ahead and go, well, you're going to, hurt me, so I'm going to do the opposite of what you want to do. So right here, this person, this white car wants to go. You wanted to, but can't do it now. If this person wants to go, you want to go. The thing is, roll off the throttle, apply the brakes, let them go, and then you can go. Okay, Streamlabs, you're going crazy right now. So he did a good job, moved over, decreased his speed. You see his hand on the front brake. Did a good job. Now right here, we're past the vehicle, right? But we're in a bad spot. We have poor line of sight. We don't have escape paths. This person can slam the brakes. You can do whatever, or just maintain this position until somebody else is coming and mess with us. So what we could do here is just get back into our lane, or do this. But get back into your lane. Get back into your lane as quick as possible.